This video should be used in combination with the installation instructions provided with your HYDRO-BLOK products. If you have any questions, contact your HYDRO-BLOK representative before you start installation. Position the assembled line drain into desired location, then mark both sides of the drain, determining where to remove the subfloor. Remove the subfloor in this location so the drain will fit inside the cuts, approximately 5 inches wide. Install plumbing to fit the drain layout and cut pipe off 2 inches below the top surface of the subfloor. Cut new support plywood roughly 12 inches wide and long enough to fit between the joists. Here's a tip: use 2 long screws to act as handles to assist in the next steps. Apply sealant glue to each side of the plywood, then insert into place. Use 1 3/4 inch screws to secure and support plywood into place with minimum 6-inch spacing. Repeat this process until the full length of the drain body is supported, leaving a 6-inch long space centered at the drain pipe location. The recess for the drain needs to be 3/4 inch. If your subfloor is thicker than 3/4 inch, you may need to add filler material to achieve this depth. Apply thinset with a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch notch trowel to the top of the lowered area. Apply ABS glue to the exterior of the pipe and the interior of the drain coupler. Use a trowel to fill the void in the end caps with thinset. Insert the drain into place, ensuring the drain pipe gets pulled up into the proper position in the line drain. Level the drain body. Use HYDRO-BLOK 1/4 inch thick wallboard to perform the mandatory waterproofing in the remainder of the bathroom floor. Mask the center of the drain with tape while leaving all screws uncovered so they can be sealed in the next steps. Apply thinset with 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch notch trowel to the floor, holding it back from the drain 1 inch. Apply sealant to the edge of the line drain and to the floor. Set the HYDRO-BLOK wallboard against the drain and fully compress it into the thinset. Install screws and washers with a maximum 18-inch spacing on the floor. Apply joint sealant and mesh tape to finish the connection to the drain. The mesh tape needs to be fully embedded and covered with sealant. Install the first row of wallboard per typical instructions, making sure sealant is pre-applied across the top of the drain and mesh tape is installed and embedded as well. Remove the masking tape. The mandatory in-sight trim will need to be cut to length and notched on the ends to extend all the way to the wallboard. Cut the trim with the supplied cutoff wheel. Use joint sealant to apply trim to the dry side of the drain slot and the wallboard. Use thinset to apply trim to the wet side of the drain so it can weep under the tile. Insert the temporary vinyl slot spreader to properly space the 2 sides of the trim. Once tiling is complete, remove the vinyl slot spreader. HYDRO-BLOK, the better shower system. Visit us online at hydroblok.com.